Hi, I wanted to unbox this Hunkydory kit with you for this premium magazine that we got into the store. So I thought I would show you everything that comes in the box and we could open it together, see all the stuff, and maybe play with it a little bit. So it comes in this nice box with all sorts of little pictures and a few samples and things like that in there. And then when you open the box, I did undo the tape of it earlier because I thought no one needs to watch me struggle to open packaging. You know how sometimes they're a little difficult. So anyways, so that's the box. So we'll put that to the side for now. And in there, let's see, there's a magazine here. That is the Hunkydory magazine. It's got all sorts of tips and stuff, it says. I'll flip through it with you after so we can take a look at it and see kind of what is inside the magazine. It also comes in the kit as part of it. That's nice. A beautiful die set that comes with a couple of different florals and a butterfly. It also, in the same package, if I'm not mistaken, yes, is a stamp set. So in the box, you get the magazine, you get the beautiful dies, you get a stamp set. It's got happy birthday with special thanks and you're in my thoughts, as well as a few really cute florals there. It's a really cute stamp set. And you get an embossing folder. Great little border edge there, whichever way you want to use it. You could use it as a fence, the few, or border that way in card. Few little butterflies in it. So that's a great one. As well as this whole package of goodies here. So there's a couple of different collections that you get in here. Let's see. Let's get rid of the packaging. So there is this one, which is called Beautifully Blue. And it comes with, move this one out of the way first. So it comes with some of their kind of adorable, scoreable toppers and stuff that Hunkydory makes. So these are perfect for making quick and easy yet beautiful cards. All of those kind of in silver. So we've got some couple sentiments. Spread your wings. Just a note to say. Beautiful butterflies and florals. It has another one here. It's adorable, scoreable, new beginnings. Many happy returns. The best time for new beginnings is now. I just want to say have a wonderful retirement. Get well wishes just for you. And then some more beautiful. The thinking of you there. Some beautiful little borders and stripe bits. It comes with, these are their heavyweight, I'm not sure exactly what Hunkydory calls them, but they're their heavyweight kind of card base type. So these you could cut and use them as a card base and fold them, or you could use them just as a panel front. There's lots of options there. There's another beautiful one, another one, and then these are some beautiful pattern papers that you can use for matting, decorating, making your cards as well. They're all double-sided, these ones. And these are inserts, card inserts. So they always give you those inserts there. So those are all the things that come with the Beautifully Blue collection. And then you have this one, which is called, this is Sunshine Meadow here. Have a beautiful day. Thanks a bunch, especially for you. Sent with love is what is repeated design on that one. So there's that. There's this one here, which again is part of the Sunshine Meadow collection. This one says happy birthday and best wishes. If the friends were flowers, I'd pick you and for someone special, as well as all these beautiful florals. Again, you get all the inserts for the insides of the card. You get pattern paper. That's one of the patterns. Beautiful little check in the back. Butterflies and flowers there. Little kind of burlap on the other side. Those ones. That floral border there. This one there. And then this one. So those are all the bits there. And then, so that all comes in with the box, as well as this magazine, which is filled with ideas. Like this is using all of the Beautifully Blue collection. That comes from the Beautifully Blue. That comes from the Beautifully Blue. That one is from the Sunshine Meadow. This is from the Sunshine Meadow. Sunshine Meadow. That's made with the stamps. That's made with the Beautifully Blue. So it's filled with so many ideas. So it shows you what comes in there. And then there's a million different ideas of how you can put these together. So it shows what's in the box. Then it's got the blue butterflies. And then it shows you here is one way they put one of the cards together. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. So there's all things. And they all tell you what you need from the kit. And step by step what you do. And if you don't have 3D foam, here you can use double layers instead. You know, it tells you here, so there's little tips here. And it tells you right there that you'll need from the kit, the Beautifully Blue, the card collection, you need the Silver Diamond Sparkle Gems. If you have some 3D foam pads or adorable scoreable, you know, and if you don't have the gems, well, we might have something in the store that you could use along, or you might have something in your collection. You may have liquid pearls you could use, some other sort of rhinestones or gems, some pearls. And that tells you to score the pattern cardstock at 3 5 3/4 to make a Z fold card blank. To attach a border strip onto the left-hand side of the cardstock and affix 2 small square toppers with the 3D foam pads, finished with gems and adheres sentiment. And there you go. It's just that quick. And then there's framed wings. This one is made using the embossing folder and wearing some ink on and getting that repetitive pattern. So it shows you some fun designs. This is using some of the paper from the Beautifully Blue collection, as well as a strip from the embossing folder there. Again, the embossing folder is used on that one as well. Here is another beautiful card made using the embossing folder again. On there, and another sample using the embossing folder mixed in with the beautiful blue. Then here is using some of the stamps and making some cards with that. There's some other things. There's some more with the stamps. And the die cut, the butterfly die cut, shows you highlighting just some tools that Hunkydory has. Again, using that stamp set with some of the Beautifully Blue. Then here using the Sunshine Meadow card kit. Here's some more with that embossing folder. Here is one doing some paper folds. Using that, so doing a circle card and doing some of the other shaped cards there. Here you're doing a little paper folding, which they show you the technique, exactly how to do it there. Here, got more card samples. And more. And more. So the whole magazine gives you tons of ideas. Lots of things you can do using all the little bits here. Some pop-up frame cards. Just gorgeous. Just stunning. There's all sorts of beautiful cards that come together quite quickly and easily. In a flash, these ones are. The other ones weren't fast enough for you. But all beautiful results using these kits. Again, here's some more things with the embossing folder and with the stamps and the dies. Using the dies here. So all sorts of fabulous ways to do it. It all comes in one box. Here they've got a gift pouch, a little box, little Christmas gift box here, a gift card holder, a bottle tag for a bottle of wine. So just great. And all in one kit, all in one box. I thought I saw it and I just thought I had to get it for the store to give it a try. I think it would be really great. I also think this is really great idea for somebody who's maybe starting and is newer to card making or things like this. This is a great way for you to get a little bit more comfortable with making cards and some design choices, and a lot of it is laid out for you. There's a lot of steps for you in there. It's also great for anyone who's traveling. If you want to be able to do stuff, there's very minimal supplies you would have to take with you. You know, some scissors, some adhesive, maybe a trimmer. Not much more you would need to take with you in this box, and you would have a whole bunch of gorgeous cards that you could make. Like I said, without a lot more having to come. You could do quite a few of them. Obviously, a few more would take a die cutting machine or something if you wanted to do that, but there's a lot you could do with very few tools. And you know, and you can obviously take all of these ones. You can also add more things. Use some things that you have in your stash to add to it and enhance them even more and put your own spin or twist on them. But anyways, I thought that I would show you what comes in the box, everything that's in the box. Now I'm going to make some of these up and I will show you some of these samples of some of the things that I created using this box and everything that came in it. See you in a while where I've got some samples for you. Okay, so now I want to pop back on and just show you a few of the things I have made using this. I have loads and loads left, but in the interest of time and wanting being able to kind of get this out to you, I can't spend forever making the cards on here. So this is an easel card I made using some of the elements from the Hunkydory kit that it came with. Here is a tunnel card that I made using some of the elements as well, and this one is also using the die cut butterfly that comes with this kit. Here is another one, a round card here. Thanks a bunch. Again, comes with this kit in here. Yeah, see there, you can see there's the butterfly. This one I used the embossing folder here and then cut it out and put it on a sheet of acetate. I did it twice. Acetate with little strips that came from the paper in here, as well as this little sentiment which is on the inside of the card there that comes from this kit. I did use cardstock from my stash to go with that. I could have chosen to use some paper from there, but I wanted to save the paper from there to use on other cards. I thought rather than using it kind of for my card base, I thought I could just get away with using the cardstock. So I did. And here is another card that I did. This one is a 6x6 card using again some of the elements that came from that. So they came together really easily, and they were a lot of fun to make. And like I said, there's lots left. Here, I'll open and I'll show you just how much. Like, you can see how thick. I'm not going to pull all of them out and do it, but you can see this is how much of the paper and the bits and the toppers and stuff that I still have left. There are loads in there. So I can make many more in there. And of course you have the stamp and the die and the embossing folder, which are not consumable. So those are endless in what you can make with them. So overall, I think this is a great kit. Gives you tons of ideas. You get the magazine, you get the dies, you get the stamp, you get the embossing folder, you get all these toppers and papers and elements to make some beautiful cards quickly and easily that your recipient would love to receive. Wins all around. Anyways, that's the Hunkydory. Bye.